At Suburban Subaru, we have a professional staff that treats you with extraordinary service.
High efficiency and low emissions. That's what you can expect from the 2-liter Subaru Boxer engine and hybrid electric drive system. It's efficient power when needed with a low center of gravity for sprightly handling and response. Its traction-enhancing symmetrical all-wheel drive helps with the 31 combined miles per gallon. You'll go far, but you'll be doing it with less impact. Plus, it earns an advanced technology partial zero-emission vehicle rating. What could be greener than that?
Suburban Subaru is a member of the KrausCars.com family of dealerships that has been selling and servicing vehicles in the greater Hartford area for over 25 years. We are patient and professional, and we guarantee you a loan. Suburban Subaru, Route 83 on the Manchester-Vernon line. See you in Vernon or see us online at suburbansubaru.com. Sie habla español? Wir sprechen Deutsch.